Love you 3,000.
And Habak 3,000 from UAE.
Love you 3,000.
Ti amo 3,000.
Para kami dahil 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel. You need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, wag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. Do never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasarilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko, tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet?
Brother gonna rise to the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Bago ako bumati ng good morning, no?
gusto mo munang bumati ng happy 11/11 sa lahat. Nakapag-add to cart na ba?
Good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick.
Magandang umaga mga ka-Miranda. Today is Friday and this is your another segment of GMMG Mornings at Trader's Guide on Friday. So we're gonna be talking about a couple of topics today aside from our usual technical charting. As you know, we had a good CPI report happen last night or released last night, and that's something interesting, especially that the market is capitulating right now. So we're gonna be talking about that and mag-technical charting tayo sa mga assets na, sa mga coins or top coins natin today. And then, let's talk about yung topic natin, na topic din natin kahapon or kagabi kasi since we've had I think 3 hours live. And ang daming segment kagabi. May ganon, may Trader's Guide, merong even Love Life, meron on the latter part of the session, no? But since we also waited for the market opening, no? So we're gonna be talking about how do we really deal with this type of losses, no? I remember talking about this when I used to do Twitter space sa mga kamiranda rin natin, and that is something interesting, no? Especially whenever with the type of market right now, and I know that there's a lot of traders out here experiencing losses, liquidations with unang-unang sinabi ko sa live gabi is because of the risk management. We don't know what's our risk. So, whenever we enter on a specific position, we tend to focus on the profit. And I want to deep deeper on that on that statement, no? And let's talk about that more later on in our session. So, yun.
Grow hard about what you wanna be. Step forward. Everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, you're so
binabati ko yung mga moderators natin, si Charles, hello. Si Kuya Bry, I'm seeing their comments right now. May Mac, hello, kumusta ka? Sino ba? Yung mga green members natin, yung mga members natin dito sa YouTube, Tamaki, hello, Kevin Tuazon, what's up man? Andy sa Batang X, ano ba? Good morning din. May, hello. Alay, yun. I don't know how to pronounce it right, pero yun.
The aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood.
Ano pa ba, no? Mamaya meron din tayong couple of announcements, no? About the Golden Deeper class, and then couple of announcement in terms of our 100 handog, no? Yung Gleam IO promotion natin, we're also going to discuss that in a bit. Sino pa ba, no? So invite your friends, no? Invite your coworkers. I know some of you are still on their way to work, or iba nag-work na ata ngayon, no? I remember when I was working around 7 AM pa lang nasa biyahe na ako, no? So yun. Hello Ian, Miguel, MDT, Rocksteady, hello, what's up? Mga Team Discord, Adicel, Cardama, hello, good morning din. Binabati ko yung mga mentors na nanonood ngayon, si Kuya Aeterd, Kuya Dan, and Kuya Lok. I know you're gising na yan, nagsasend na ng meme, no? So good morning Kuya Charles, yan, menti ko din yan. Yun. And then binabati ko yung mali Mara, Sir Justine Pawa, sorry. Okay. Anyway, let's go with some of the updates that we have right now, no? Baliktad mentor yung background mo. Baliktad. Sige, wait lang. Gagawa natin ng paraan yan. Oo nga, baliktad nga. Wait lang, just give me a second, guys. Hold on one second. Ayun. Okay na, di ba? Carla, no? Nag-comment. Mentor, sa nakakabili ng kwintas mo, pampagaling ba yan mag-trade? Kasama kita sa La Union eh. Ba't ano? Ba't tinatanong mo? Ganito pala yung feeling, coach, pag ano, no? Uy, sabi ni Joan JV, no? Pa-shoutout mentor, watching from La Union. Wow. Wow, grabe yun. Tawag dito, we've been there last week, no, sa La Union, no? Sa marami kami napuntahan din, no? So, enjoy naman. Yun, laglong pomogi. Supposed to be private. Pa-shoutout mentor, no? Hello, Huge Randina, kamusta? Ano yan, Gerald Bautista? Medyo ano yan, Anyway, guys, no? Shoutout pala kay Carla, hello. Kung nasaan ka man ngayon. Ano masasabihin mo? I miss you, ganun. Then, sige, tawag dito. Let's go with the charting today, or let's go with a couple of updates, then we go to our charting, and then let's go to the traders quotient talk, no? Princess Jinko. Dami nagpapa-shoutout, sagit lang. Hi, Mentor Justine, pa-shoutout po. Quack. Princess Jinko, hello. Then si Charles din, no? Sinoutout na kita, Charles, baka pwede mo po ako i-shoutout. Nagluluto po ako ng munggo. Wow. Ano, ba't munggo? Oo nga, Friday. Sorry, hindi kasi ako nagluluto. Okay, go. Ito na talaga, guys. No? Let's go with the updates today. So, we'll be able to cope up with the time. Thank you so much for all those supports. No? Just give me a couple of seconds, guys. And by the way, sorry, this segment is what...
This program is brought to you by Binance, the world's fastest growing crypto.
Hold on. There you go. So we're gonna be having a couple of updates. First things first about our, official announcement about our Golden Deeper class. You can see it in front of your screen. Reminder lang sa mga LMS beginner batch class, 44 student for the November 12th class will be from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. to give way for the Golden Dipper Masterclass that's happening on Saturday, no? Kasi yung Golden Dipper Masterclass natin will happen at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So let's just have a bit of, time threshold para at least kung, let's say for example, magkakaroon ng extension, then we can be able to accommodate it. So that's still available, no? You just have to, if you are interested in enrolling in our Golden Dipper Masterclass, you can visit our website at www.globalmirandaminer.com. Our moderators will also go and share it on the comment sections right there in your screen. So ano ba yung mga nakapaloob dito sa Golden Deeper Masterclass? Yung taboo trades, why is it 66% in win rate? And why do you need to get the 66% or 100% of the time, no? And when not to use confirmation candles, understanding MACD and RSI at a deeper level, 10 charts case study, studying your support and resistances, and bonus topic, how to use a Fib Fan indicator. So, this is very, very important. Ako naman, no, as a trader for a couple of years already, understanding each indicators are, I think, one of the hardest process for me when I was starting, no? Kasi yung RSI and MACD, you can watch it in YouTube, you can watch it in some of, you can read it in books, no? Pero yung deeper understanding yan, kung how are you going to equip that with the system that you are using right now, I think that's one of the challenge that we could have, no? So this is a very, very good course to have, especially yung kumbaga meron siyang case studies, and then yung taboo trades, no? I'm very excited on this one as well, to be honest, no? So I'm gonna be attending that. I'll see you guys on that masterclass. And then yung 10 charts of case study of finding your support and resistances. So these are so basic yet so really, really important, no? What I could say, kasi sometimes tayo, our challenges, we tend to not to find any entries, no? So kumbaga, nahirapan tayo kumuha ng entries, and there's a reason behind that. I think kasi we tend to skip the process. We tend to skip, okay, we don't really even know how to get the how to master the support and resistance. How can we really get it? And then I think that's the very basic thing that we should be able to learn and to master before we can, we can find a very, very great A setup, no? If you just give me a second, let me just go to my, so I can see your comments, no? Just give me a second, guys. So ayun, no? I'm seeing questions, no, right now. But by the way, may nagtanong kanina, no? Sagutin ko lang dito sa since ano na tayo, medyo nakalimutan ko kanina. What if magta-trade daw ng BUSD? You have to really go to Binance, no? You have to go to Binance. And honestly, we're not really, recommending you to or advising you to put your fiat, yung basta yung mga nakapark lang, no, i-diversify nyo siya, no, kasi since mayroon yung ngayon si Tether, no, so just ingat lang, no, ingat lang. Pwede po ba mag-start ng beginner course kahit hindi pa nakapag-crypto primer? Yes, pwede naman. Ayun, no, so yan, yun sa Golden Deeper Masterclass natin, that is still available. Please visit our website if you're interested to enroll. And ang next natin is yung, of course, our Gleam.io, no? 100,000 saya at malasakit ng Miranda ngayong Pasko. So that is going to be ending in 34 days, no? As of today, we're sitting at 23,288 total of entries. And for every YouTube subscription, it will give us an ability to help our chosen community this Christmas 2022. By the way, yung Paskong lapit na, no? So, sino ba dito yung mga, no? Magpapaskong mag-isa? Si Coach, ano na no? Ewan ko dyan. Hindi ko alam. Pero in love, no? Sana. So, yun, no? Not only we will donate to a charity, you can also get the chance to win elite course packages worth 10K or 10,000 pesos, no, gift package, merchandise and trading bonuses, no. So there's a lot that you can do to be able to help this Christmas, just by sharing this Gleam.io promotion by in your friends and your co-workers, etc. in your company. You'll be able to help, no, especially that we are going to choose a community this Christmas para pag-donate natin, no? So, yun. Good AM mentor. Hello, Jade. Carla Cardona. Ba't sana all? Ano? Nagagalit naman. Okay. So, aga-aga nananakit, ha? Sorry, Oliver. Nandito ka pala, no? Hello, good morning, Kuya Oliver, no? May nakaaway sa akin dito, Oliver. Ba't sana? Oo nga, no? Okay, so let's go with the charting today. I know pinakainihintay nyo to. Let's go with Bitcoin. I'm actually on a let's have a market review, no. Let's have a market review of our market today. So we had a positive news last night. CPI went lower from the expectation of 8.8 to 7.7 if I'm not mistaken. Medyo I haven't pagkatapos kasi ng live nakatulog agad ako, no. So yun, we had a positive review. That's the reason why we had a driver for the stock market to go up, such as Nasdaq. And the reason bakit nagkaroon din ng konting paglusok si Bitcoin, touching the 18,228 territory, and then right now it's currently correcting on the 0.5 level of your Fibonacci, no. So we had a relief rally, I could say, on this one. Then right now, nagkaroon tayo ng bounce or ng correction happening at 18,228. So if this is you, Miranda, what will you do? No, what will you do if you don't have a position yet for Bitcoin? No, so what I would do or what I could suggest for you is to wait for the bounces. No, I'll check first on a daily time frame if this is being supported. This is what I'm talking about. So nakuha natin yung 15,000 support na yan. Let's go on a very high level charting. Nakuha natin yung 15,000 rather by using our extension. So nakuha natin yan. So if we do your micro Fibonacci from here, that's going to be your 0.618 line. There you go. So if you're going to do backtesting on that specific hardline or that support, we've retested this couple of times already. Last 2017, it acted as our resistance. Last 2020, it acted as our support. So this 16,000 or roughly, let me just make sure that I got it correctly. Yan. Week to week lang natin siya. No? Yan. Kasi sakto yan eh. Yan. Sorry, 15,700 plus. 700, no? That's a very, very strong support for Bitcoin right now, and that's where we are sitting right now. Okay? Question, yan na ba sinasabi ng mentor Oliver last time? Ginrab mo na pala. Ano yan? It's 6 a year in Oman. Hello, Oliver. Connecting flight Singapore. Nice. Yan, so that's what we are currently seeing for Bitcoin. This, yung one natin na to, this is acting as our strong 0.618 line. So true enough, nagkaroon tayo ng candle or kumbaga sa daily time frame, nirespeto na siya. But why do I expect a possible consolidation muna, no? Kasi if you're gonna look at it on a big picture, it's still on consolidating, no? It's still on consolidating. And you have to understand that every time we happen to see a breakout or breakdown, there could be a potential consolidation. And that's normal, no? That's normal sa market. So if you're gonna check the 4-hour time frame, we are already seeing a bounce on this one, especially that RSI went to 16, no? Sobrang baba na ito. That's the reason nagkaroon tayo ng rally saglit, no? But right now, what is our immediate resistance for Bitcoin? Our immediate resistance for Bitcoin is ranging, like what I've said kanina, around 18,228, no? Diyan tayo na-reject, and of course, excuse me, that acted as our strong support nung mga nakaraang linggo. Sino pa ba? Yan. So what can we do with this market? Well, technically, I'll wait for a possible bounce for Bitcoin. Meron na tayo nakikita ang trendline support dito. Tingnan natin kung nire-respeto na siya on a lower time frame like 5 minutes. Nakakita na tayo ng pag-lightening. So if you want to scalp this is going to be your triangle. This is going to be your scalp zone. This is the one. So do I recommend to do intraday trading for Bitcoin right now? Well, actually hindi pa, no? If we are expecting a good rally, ako mag-expect pa ako ng a bit of consolidation happening on a higher time frame. I need to see, a good support, no, in our 15,750 range for us to be able to make sure na it's really not a downward trend anymore, and the market mellowed down already, no? Given a lot of chaotic capitulation happening with the market, the FTX, there's a lot, no? There's a lot of things happening, the Solana and everything. I guess there's at least meron good news kagabi, and that's something that I'm looking forward to. Of course, gusto natin tumaas, no? Pero we are just on the mercy of what could the market could do, and ano ba ang gagawin ng yung mga FA, no? And we've talked about that. Isang tweet lang, it could be manipulated, and that's something na we cannot do something about. All we can just do is just to really base it in technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Yun. Excuse me. So that's gonna be for Bitcoin. And matter of fact, you also have from swing low to swing high, you also have your 0.5 could act as our immediate support, no? Since around, so just in case mag-round tayo ng breakdown, your 16,892 could act as your immediate support, no? As your immediate support. If you're going to notice, we had that acted as our resistance before, and that's something that we also consider. Grabe, galing. Meron po ba sa Shopee yung ganyang necklace, sir? Sakto 11/11 ngayon. Hindi, tawag dito? Nabili lang to sa La Union. Si Carla kasi na. yun, so that's my take for Bitcoin. 18,000, 16,000, no? Just in case we happen to see a breakdown, then wait for that support, immediate support, no? Ingat kayo dyan. Excuse me. Ano pa ba, no? Let's chart Ethereum. Let's chart Ethereum. There you go. So same goes with Bitcoin, but Ethereum didn't really, if you're going to look at it, hindi siya ganun kalala, no? Kalala yung pag ano niya. Of course, Ethereum will also going to have a retracement as it has a big correlation with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has big correlation with US stocks, no? With your Nasdaq, no? But hindi siya ganun na natinag, kumbaga, let's say. Not like other altcoins, no? Na grabe din yung binaba, no? But there is a reason for that, just like what Coach said. Check Vitalik tweet and CZ tweet about it, and there's like what I've said, there's a reason behind that. And I tweeted this actually, aside from this 2-year level support from 2020, we got this trend line support from here, and this is a strong, no? This is strong support kasi medyo matagal to, and from this one, if you're going to notice, we also have a same like Bitcoin. This is a horizontal support, and then we have a trend line support. So this is a critical support to break for Ethereum around this set 111.64. Sorry, 1164 price, no? That's a critical level support for Bitcoin to break. For Ethereum to break. If we're going to check on a 4-hourly time frame, we had a bounce just like what happened to Bitcoin. From there, let's wait and see, no, for on what is Ethereum is going to go, no? Going to do. If you're gonna check your 1 hour, halos parehas lang sila if you're going to notice. Pero dito we had a trend line resistance. Kita na natin agad to. We have a trend line resistance. If you go check 15 minutes, we had a hidden divergence. So pag ganito nagkakaroon ng correction, it might go down a bit since mukhang magko-confirm na, no? Ingat kayo dito. If you have position for Ethereum, consider, if you're doing intraday trade, consider taking profits already since we happen to see a left hand already at hindi naman siya nag-confirm, no? On 1 hour time frame, hindi siya nag-confirm ng breakout sa trendline resistance natin. And if you're gonna check 15 minutes, nagkaroon na ng divergence. So that's something that you have to, nag-activate na, no? Nag-activate na. Umaga na pa, aha moment ako. Wow. You are genius. O hindi. Bitcoin, wow. Grabe. Okay. So any question kay Miranda, type 1 kung naiintindihan, please. And pahit ng like button kung nakaka-cope up naman kayo sa charting natin. So simple lang, 'di ba? Simple lang, pero I hope you're learning a lot in our Almucharting Friday. Okay, I'm just reading comments right now. Nakagat yung dila ako. Ayan, mabuti naman, no? Mabuti naman na kukuha niyo yung mga ano natin. So after that, let's chart BNB mabilis. BNB, I've been trading BNB since then. I wanted to see how BNB will react right now, no? So I think meron same support tayo kay BNB nakita natin. So this is, guys, the importance of zooming out palagi. And matter of fact, it's really important that you get your major trendline support, especially kapag nagkakaroon ka ng mga major or nagkakaroon ka ng drawdown, ng pagbaba in your market. You zoom out, check mo yung mga trendline support kung meron, and this is something that you have to consider as well as your take profit line or possible support, no? Kung pag napapansin mo bumababa na yung asset, no? Kasi that could be a possible support for your coin, no? So same thing kay BNB, alos magkakamukha lang naman sila, actually. Wait, let me just get this one. Okay. Naka-ano pala ako. Naka-Bing X. Let me get BNB on Binance para mas marami. Okay. Okay. If I'm going to do this, nope, not gonna use that. One second, guys. So I can use this. We have a 0.618 currently at 262.80. True enough, nagkaroon tayo ng bounce doon. If you go to 4 hours, nagkaroon tayo ng bounce, no? Kinikilala niya talagang yung support na ito eh. So same with Ethereum lang, no? If we're going to use this trend line, we're going to use this 15 minutes. Okay. Not gonna use it na. Swing high to swing low. We have a 0.382 resistance. So since we have 0.382 resistance, same thing, nagkaroon ng left hand katulad kay Ethereum. I'm going to wait for this one. So if you don't have position yet for BNB, do I consider intraday position? Not yet really. Wait for the market to consolidate on a higher time frame. But for scalping purposes, pwede. No? If you're a scalper, pwede mong scalp yan. Hanapin mo lang yung mga apex mo. Go on your lower time frames, but make sure that you know the volatility, you know your risk management on this asset para hindi ka maliliquidate or hindi ka tatalo. Kamusta, Mentor Justine? Hello, Medj. I'm good. Kamusta ka? Ano po ibig sabihin pag may divergence na ganyan? Sorry, newbie lang po. So, divergences, yung mga left hand and right hand, tinuturo natin yan sa university. So, yan yung if your prices are going up or against your oscillator reading, no? So, for example, si MACD mo or RSI mo pababa. Yan, pababa na siya. And then yung price mo is pataas, no? So, ibig sabihin, there's a divergence happening. May paghiwalay sila. So, there could be a potential breakdown or retracement, or there could be a potential breakout or pagtaas or rally. Yun, that's a divergence, no? FTTT LSBD. So, si FTT daw. Hold on, guys. Let me chart FTT. So, si FTT, guys, oo nga, nag-trendline support breakdown. Si Oliver, nag-chart din to sa sa Oman. So, we happen to see a correction on a 0.5, which is a strong support. Our strong support before acted as strong resistance, so enough nagkaroon ng pagbaba. Ang gusto ko mangyari dito kay FTT, since we were able to establish this support already at 1.6187, this is what I want to happen, no? Magkaroon ng pagbaba, and then it will form a right hand, no? It will form a right hand on a hourly perspective, and then from there, pwedeng if ever lang, no? If ever, this is just pure technical analysis, walang FA na kasama, walang news na kasama, but this is just pure technical analysis talking about just in case na magkaroon ng pagbaba, no? It will form a right hand, and that's what I want to see if I want to have a major or a good rally for FTT again. So but then again, no, it could be invalidated because of if there's an FA. So yun lang, that's just my pure technical analysis for FTT. Yan, bababa siya yan, tapos mag-form siya ng hidden divergence or hidden divergence. Then from here we wait for the breakout, and that's what I'm going to wait. Ayun, nakuha ba? Nakuha? Yung mga isa pang baba na inaano natin. Miss ka na namin, Mentor Oliver. Ano pa ba? Ayun, Golden Deeper Masterclass. Yun. Siguro let's chart one more coin, and then from there, let's chart Matic. I've been seeing Matic going on a breakout actually. Just give me a couple of seconds, guys. From here, Matic, consolidating. Hindi siya natitinag actually, no? Matibay rin to si Matic. We've been sitting on this 0.5, I believe, na chart ko na to, 0.5 support. Yup, 0.5 nga siya. So, from here, nagkaroon tayo ng bounce. Same like Ethereum, na-TP ko na FTT. Wow. Daily, 4 hours, nagkaroon ng breakout, or nagkaroon ng bounce. But there, we have a resistance at 1.2727. So, let's look at it. Ano ba yung resistance level na yan? Let's go on a swing high to swing low. Okay, so we have a 0.618 resistance doon. So, palitin natin yung coin, no? Palitin natin. So, we have a resistance already dito. Ito na lang yung support and resistance. Nakuha mo na yung horizontal niyan. Let's go on a 1 hour. Ayun, meron na. Pa-left hand na to. 4 hours. Ayun din. Magbubuo na ng left hand. Ito naman, kung kanina, yung chinart natin, si FTT, gusto natin ng isang baba. Ito naman, gusto pa natin isang taas to dito. Kasi it will form divergence. Then from there, you wait for your trendline support, breakdown, then it could potentially give you a retracement. Kuya, pa-shoutout po. Marvin Talingting. Hello. Shout out. So before we proceed with our talk today, I hope lusog-lusog na yung charting. Okay na yung charting natin. And to be honest, magkakamukha lang naman sila. What is my market guide for you guys, for you, Miranda? Market guide for today is, I don't really expect good rally right away, as we just came from a breakdown on a higher time frame, are still on a bearish bias. What I could really suggest is you get your key level supports, just like what I've did for all of the coins that I've charted today, this morning. Wait for your key level supports and then wait for the market reaction, especially on a higher time frame. If you are an intraday trader, wait for the market reaction to happen on that trendline support or horizontal support using your Fibonacci's, no? And then from there, if you see consolidation, you wait for trendline resistance breakout on 1 hour, then you pasukin mo, no? But as of the moment, what I could really suggest, the market is just not really for a good rally right now. What I could really do or tell you guys is just to scalp it, no? Find your apex, go on your lower time frames hanggat maaari, huwag kayo magpatagal ng trade muna, no? So that's the best thing that I could do. The best thing that I could say. Kung kay FTT naman, this is a good technical charting. I'm gonna put this on my watch list as well. Ang gawin nyo is, pero kung hindi kayo sanay sa volatility, wag munang i-trade, no? And then si Sol, no? Chart nga natin si Sol saglit. Solana, medyo umangat to si Solana, eh. So, nagkaroon ng issue din to si Sol. Hanapin natin yung support. Ba't ba nag-bounce doon, no? Ayun. Feeling ko 6180. Okay. Makes sense, no? Nag-act siya ng resistance before. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. Alright. One more. Okay lang, guys. I'll use this instead. So, yun, support, nag-action support. So, 12.39 is your key level support for Solana that's being respected on a higher time frame. 4 hours. Nagbabounce din tayo doon. So, same thing, no? I do expect consolidation to happen first. Although, medyo volatile na rin sa Solana, no? So, ingat-ingat kayo dyan. So, yun lang, Miranda. I'll give you, just give me a second. I will just put I'll just put a tawag dito, commercial lang tayo saglit, and then let's go back with our topic today.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
Pag nag-e-exam ako, yun makikita ko. Yun lagi nakikita ko. Tapos parang ano yan way of, wina-welcome mo yung positive energy and ina-achieve ko, di ba? Pero,
Simple lang dahil bukod sa pagiging profitable at proven and effective ang Miranda Miner trading system, napakarami mong pwedeng matutunan kay Coach Miranda Miner na hindi mo matutunan sa ibang mga mentor.
Ako po kasi talagang ang hinahanap-hanap ko yung one-on-one coaching. Gusto ko po kasi magkaroon ng personal relationship sa coach or mentor ko. Matanong kasi ako. Kaya perfect po talaga para sa akin ang mentoring class.
Mapapolish mo talaga yung skills mo as a trader at kung anong types of trader ka. Para dun sa mga taong nagdadalawang isip o natatakot na subukan yung crypto trading or alamin yung crypto trading, nahan dito ang Global Miranda Mining System para i-provide sa inyo ang mga necessary data in a way na mas madali nyo siyang maiintindihan.
Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons.
Hello. So we're back, Miranda. So meron ako nakitang question and nasagot na siya ni Coach, no. Kung bakit kagabi ang laki ng pump ni Nasdaq pero si BTC hindi masyado sumabay nung 10:30 PM. Actually, yan tama yung sagot ni Coach. Traders are still fearful after a huge dump to 15.5. However, a 15.5 to 17.5 basis points increase in Bitcoin is considered enough, or 15.5 to 17.5 17,500 increase Bitcoin is considerable enough jump already. Correct. Yun. Sumabay naman siya. It's just that, from 15,500 to 17,500, and it even reach 18,200. So mataas yan, no? Mataas yan. From, if you're going to put that into context on percentage perspective, it's around 15.73% up already, no? So that's something masaya tayo, of course. Ayan, so yeah, no. So since Traders Guide Friday tayo ngayon, I just would like to, talk about yung how do we really manage our losses, no? Paano ba tayo makakabalik, no? Kasi I've received katulad ng sinabi ko, no, kagabi sa live natin with Coach. Marami tayong na-receive na na maraming natatalo, na nagi-give up na raw sa trading. And that is something na nakakalungkot to the point na what do we really, ano bang i-advise natin, no? And that's the reason why our channel exists, no? Kasi I know that there's a lot of traders out there na still getting liquidated, still getting loss after loss after the trades. And because we don't have the right knowledge, no? We don't have the right education to be able to trade, no? And sometimes nagkakaroon tayo ng tawagin na analysis, no? And that's something na syempre of course hindi natin gagawin, no? And that's a hard-earned money that kailangan kitain natin, kailangan mapalago natin, no? And that's the reason why we entered in trading in the first place, di ba? So siguro let me just switch my screen. Yan. Siguro ang mapapayo ko lang kay Miranda, no? If ever we experiencing losses or losses right now, unang-una is it's really to really pause, no? This is came from an experience, no? Just take a pause for a while, and what you need to do is to reevaluate, no? Or pause And then what you need to do is to evaluate your trades. Kumbaga, you have to, when you take a pause, ano bang gagawin mo doon? Wala ka na bang gagawin? Magiging bitter ka na ba? You're going to move out, hindi ka na magte-trade, no? Hindi naman ganoon, no? But I want you to just to use that time to be able to reflect and kasi what you're feeling on that specific moment is very valid, na kailangan mong ma-feel, no? Kailangan mong ma-feel kung ano ba yung nangyayari. So you really have to reflect on that, no? You have to really reflect on that. So after the reflection, na kung kailangan mo mag-unwind or kailangan mo pumunta somewhere else to be able to reflect. Kasi ganoon naman tayo kahit sa work, 'di ba? Let's say for example, hindi tayo nakakuha ng specific project. We failed to accomplish a specific project, no? So sometimes we need ma-feel demotivated tayo. And that's same thing that we feel in trading, no? So you have to be able to find time to be able to reflect, and that is your moment of pause. And from there, kumbaga mas ma-reflect, mas makakapag-reflect ka on those things na you could have done better. Pero wag ka muna pupunta doon, no? You have to process everything, no? You have to process muna. Number 2 is doon na papasok yung reflection. So when you say reflection, eto na, no? Titingin ka na ulit sa chart, no? Okay. What I could have done better, you journal it, no? Tignan mo yung journal mo or you journal your trades and tignan mo sa what went wrong. Okay? Is it about the right risk management? Is it about really the volatility? Is it about you've overpowered by your emotions? So think of it, no? Think of it. Okay? And number 3, ang gagawin mo na dyan is to evaluate. Number 3 is to, just really, parang more on reflection side ulit, pero it's more into what is going to be your action plan. Ano ba ang gagawin mo para hindi mo na magawa ulit yung, kunyari, kasi sa evaluate, makukuha mo na yung naging reason ba't ka natalo eh. So number 3, kunyari, it's more on emotion handling. Hindi mo na handle yung emotions mo whenever you trade on this specific coin or whenever you trade on this specific asset or money. Number 3, anong gagawin mo? Is it about the position sizing? Then you have to study about it. Ask people, no? Be with the community again. Be with the person who knows na ano ba yung gagawin mo. No, pwede ka mag-reach out sa mentors. No, pwede ka mag-reach out kay coach sa community natin. Our Discord server are there. So, pagkatapos noon, find the right network to be able to build to put you up again, no? Kasi mentally nakaka-drain siya, honestly. Physically din, no? Financially din, of course. So you have to have someone to lift you up, no? To be able to lift you up. And you cannot no man is an island. Hindi mo yan kaya mo yan mag-isa, pero mas mapapadali kung you're gonna be with the right people. Okay? Hindi be with positive people that will lift you up. And not just in trading, no, but also if you have challenges, no, be with the right people. Number 4, yun na. Execute ka na ulit, no? Wag kang matatakot na baka matalo ka as long as you were able to done your assignment, no? Nagawa mo yung assignment mo, nagawa mo na nakapag-reflect ka, nagawa mo yung mga things na tingin mo kung saan ka natalo, and you journal it moving forward, no? Sometimes kasi ang pinakailangan mong gawin in your trades is you have to held accountable on your trades eh. Ang nagiging mindset kasi natin whenever we trade, especially on those part-time trader na meron naman akong kinikita every 15 and 30th, no? May mga ganun tayong mindset as a trader, no? So na or part-time trader, no? And I've experienced that, no? Na meron tayong kikitain ko naman to on the next cut-off, no? Kikitain ko naman to on the next payday. So we don't take accountable, no? So treat it this way. I remember talking to coach, no, na sometimes napag-usapan namin yon during our mabuting usapan na paano kapag binigyan ka ng pera ng ng isang hedge fund company or ni coach, no, ng pera, anong gagawin mo? Papasok mo ba agad sa trade yan? Hindi, kasi matatakot ka matalo. You will be able to take accountable on that money na ibibigay sa'yo, no? So what I want you guys to do, Miranda, is to be able to do that in your own money. Gawin niyo, no? Take accountable. I-journal nyo talaga, no? I-treat it as a business and, study the right risk management, the right system, no? not talking about the Miranda Miner system, no, but on all of the system, whatever system that you're playing now, no, all of those are profitable naman. It's just really a matter of how are you going to be able to master it, no. But yun, no, make sure na so na ma-align tayo sa in terms of that, no. So how do you ride your losses, no? So that's a very powerful question that mahirap sagutin, no. Mahirap sagutin, pero I hope, no, nalinawan kayo diyan. And continue lang, no. Continue lang. Darating din sa point na you'll be able to get your breakthrough, no. Not today, not on the next couple of months, but as long as you have this type of community, as long as you have the right system, you are doing something about, you know, what you really want to achieve in life, you'll be able to grasp it, or makukuha mo yun, ma-achieve mo yan, no? So Ivy Gutierrez, good morning, nice one, Mentor Justine, hello. Tapos may nag-reply, Coach Miranda Miner, hi Ivy. Greetings ko Jess nanonood Velasquez ko chat ko today. God bless. Yun. Greetings ko to Jess the Halungsod Velasquez ka chat ko today. God bless. Yun. Anong oras pwede mag-join sa Zoom po para bukas? Our Zoom John JV will be para bukas. 9 a.m. pero at least be there. 9 a.m. yung klase. So be there at least mga 30 minutes before mag-accept na niyan, no? Mag-accept na yan. So ayun. Ito ma-share ko lang kay Miranda, no. When kasi minsan na may mga trader friends din naman ako outside our system na I used to be friends with when back matagal na, no, na nagte-trade pa rin until now. I've saw their posts. Yun nga, ang daming natatalo, ang daming ano. Iba kumikita naman, no? No? So, iba-iba mixed market, no? Pero mas marami yung natalo na around 800 billion ata yung na-liquidate for just the last 24 hours. For the past 48 hours, no? Since last night, no? So, medyo malaki, no? Malaki yun, no? Ang daming na wiped out, no? Pero, yun nga, no? It's a matter of having the right knowledge, having a right system, having the right community to guide you up, no? It's not always greener. Hindi naman natin pwedeng expect yun, no? Laging ganun, no? There will be a point in our market that we're going to be like this. But on this type of market, this is the type of market where you need to be more stronger, where you need to be more bolder, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mas matapang ka sa ganitong market, para on the easy market, sa may mga rally na market, mas matapang ka na, di ba? Kasi you were able to achieve the level of, you were able to break through on this type of dilemma. Especially na lahat fearful, lahat natatakot mag-invest, lahat natatakot mag-trade. But ikaw, kapag na-survive mo to, that's something that's one of your edge, no? And not everyone can survive this type of market. Di ba? Not everyone could survive this type of market. So, yun, kilig. May Zoom link na po ba para sa bukas sa Masterclass? Kailangan nyo po mag-register sa pre-registration link. Kapag nakapagbayad na po kayo, may mag-email sa inyo where you need to register. Malaki po ba kaya yung tsansa na balikan yung 15K price ng Air BTC 1 week for now? Yeah. So yes, sabi ni Coach, we are pretty much relying on price activity today. Joseph, abang sa key level support area. Correct. Check mo po sa enrolled course po. Yun. Tapos may nag-comment, si Paul Abelio. Parang kilala ko to. So yun lang, Miranda. I hope you've learned a lot in our TGOF, no? Abangan ninyo yung live natin with with Ate Jella, and then for one of our Miranda who were able to earn million, no, in our using our system in just 3 months, and that's really possible, no? That's really possible. So I'll see you guys there in our live probably next week. I-schedule natin yan, but one thing for sure, we're going to schedule it 5 days ahead, no? 5 days ahead para makapag-schedule na kayo ng mga leave ninyo, kasi that's a very, 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 very interesting and kumbaga, kaabang-abang, no? Kaabang-abang na live, no? Yan, thank you po Sir Justine Marahay na aga, coach. Ano yun? Yun lang, Miranda. I hope you've learned a lot. Please don't forget to, if you're new to Coach Miranda Miner channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then hit the like, no, para and the notification bell para updated ka sa mga live natin and the market conditions. If you are new to crypto, please visit our website at www.globalmirandaminer.com. And please also visit our Facebook page. Follow Coach Miranda Miner on all of his social platforms such as Twitter na ilalagay dyan ng mga moderators natin in our live chat. So, yun lang, Miranda, and I hope you've learned a lot. Thank you so much. And wait lang, yung sounds natin, kailangan nating set up muna sa gila. Ano kaya pakiramdam nung no? Yung parang ayaw mong tapusin yung live, no? Kasi alam mong may nanonood. Hindi. Ano na ako? Behave na ako. So, yun lang, Miranda. Just give me a second. Let me just put our soundtrack.
Blood in circulation, one step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.
I love you guys, 3,500. Bye-bye.
Take 'em. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I